Are you excited to know who won the giveaway to win a free Litchi license? The giveaway ended yesterday, where I'm now going to pick 5 of you that is going to win a free license. Because we use the Kingsomo giveaway tool, I only know the email address of each of you. Each of the 5 winners will get a direct email asking them to confirm if you want a version for Android or iOS. Let's jump into the tool and let it do its magic and pick a winner. It is super simple. It's done automatically by the press of a button. So ready to award. Da, 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 da. These are the 5 winners. And as I said, each one of you are getting a direct email from me asking you to confirm if you want it for Android or iOS. Let me know if you like this kind of giveaway, because then I might talk to a few other companies making them sponsor free stuff for you guys.